test drive the 2018 Jetta. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. The Jetta is a premium car that is family-friendly with a great price, agile and confident handling. Volkswagen Jetta. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.